students, welcome back to your English class. So today we will start with the next episode of chapter 4 that we were discussing in the last lecture. That was chapter 4 of Snapshots, Albert Einstein at School. So in the last episode, in the previous video, we had discussed about Einstein's encounter with his history teacher, then Einstein's neighborhood, how he was so uncomfortable at his dwelling as well as in his school also, and then one of his his interaction with his cousin Elsa, who lives in Berlin, and the second one is interaction with his best friend Yuri. Yuri was a person with whom he used to discuss all his secrets. So whenever he was at Munich, he was living at a slum area of Munich. He was studying there in a German school, and he was not at all comfortable with that. Now when he tells Yuri that I want to leave this place, Yuri was not convinced. He asks him, okay, you want to leave the place, you want to leave the school, but what next? आगे क्या करोगे? अगर स्कूल छोड़ दोगे तो आगे how will you continue with your life? Then only Einstein he thinks of a plan. He says, if I will go back to my father, he is not going to keep me there. He will definitely send me back to the school. He hit upon a plan. He asks Yuri to find an acquaintance doctor who can certify, who can give him a certificate that he is in a very bad mental condition. He is having a nervous breakdown and he just cannot continue with the studies there in the school. Now Yuri was also of the opinion, he said out of friendship, he said, okay, let me find a doctor. I'll be starting from page number 28. Please do open your books at page number 28 and read along with me. When he asked Yuri to arrange for some doctor, Yuri says there are plenty of them. Yuri told him. He hesitated for a moment and then added rather reluctantly, I'll ask some of the students if they know one if you like. He said कि I have a few acquaintances who are the medical students. मेरे कुछ friends भी हैं. अगर तुम चाहते हो तो I can ask them for a favor. I can ask whether they have any doctor acquaintance with them. Will you? Oh, thank you, Yuri. Albert's eyes were shining and he was so hopeful. Okay, something will be done now. Wait a moment. I haven't found the one. He said कि अभी थोड़ा इंतजार करो. अभी कौन सा मिल गया? First I have to just try. If let me just check whether I can find any doctor or not. Oh, but you will. कहता he was sure that I know that you will find a doctor. And if I do, I don't know if he will be willing to help you. कहता it may be possible that who doctor, their doctors, they are the very committed, very noble community, and he said it is not 100% sure that if I find a doctor, found a doctor, and he will give you the certificate of nervous breakdown. He will declare Albert, I am going to have a real nervous breakdown to make it easier for him. He laughed merrily. कहता नहीं मैं उसके आगे इतना अच्छे से नाटक करूँगा. I will just dramatize it. I will do it so perfectly that he will bound to give me that certificate. I have never seen you looking less nervous, remarked Yuri. कहता मैंने तुम्हें इतना कभी खुश यानी less nervous. He always used to be nervous, so but that time he was quite relaxed. A day or two at school will soon put that right, Albert assured him. कि अगर मैं 1-2 दिन स्कूल और गया, मेरा nervous breakdown होने ही वाला है. Certainly he had lost his high spirits when Yuri saw him next, and with next met him, he was not in good spirits. Einstein, I can't stand it any longer, he said. I really shall have a nervous breakdown that will satisfy any doctor. Keep it up then, said Yuri. I have found a doctor for you. And finally, Yuri had found a doctor who was his friend, who was his acquaintance. You have Albert's face lit up. Oh good, when can I see him? मैं उनसे कब मिल सकता हूँ? I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening. Yuri said, here is the address, and he gives him the address where he was supposed to meet the doctor. He handed Albert a piece of paper. Dr. Ernest Wade. Is he a specialist in nervous troubles? Asked Albert. Albert ने उससे पूछा कि क्या वो nervous troubles का specialist है? He is a nervous doctor. Not exactly, Yuri admitted. As a matter of fact, he only qualified as a doctor last week. कहता है इतना तो नहीं, बट लास्ट वीक ही वो डॉक्टर बनाया एंड इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट यू विल बी हिज फर्स्ट पेशेंट. So things were quite scary on both the sides. He was going to meet the doctor for the first time. That too, some very weird reasons, and he was a doctor who was going to treat the patient, and that too again the both side was a nervous situation. You can imagine. Now you knew him as a student then. I have known Anas for years. Yuri hesitated for a few moments. He is not a fool. He warned Albert. कहता कि वो इज़ वेरी स्मार्ट पर्सन, वो फूल नहीं है, यू कैन नॉट फूल हिम अराउंड. सो इफ़ यू आर सेइंग दैट आई विल डू अ काइंड ऑफ एक्टिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम ऑफ द नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन, ही इज़ गोइंग टू जस्ट फिगर इट आउट वेरी सून. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. व्हाट डू यू मीन? डोंट ट्राई टू पुल द वूल ओवर हिज आइज. मीन्स डू नॉट ट्राई टू बी फूल. उसको पागल बनाने की, उसको बेवकूफ़ बनाने की कोशिश मत करना. दैट्स ऑल. बी फ्रैंक विद हिम. उसको बता देना फ्रैंकली व्हाट यू जस्ट वांट, बट डोंट प्रिटेंड यू हैव गॉट व्हाट यू हैवंट. लेकिन वो प्रिटेंड मत करना जो तुम नहीं हो. नॉट दैट यू वुड डिसीव एनीवन. यूरी एडेड, यू आर द वर्ल्ड्स वर्स्ट लायर. कहता है ये नहीं कि तुम किसी को धोखा दोगे इस तरह झूठ बोलकर, बल्कि तुम बहुत ही बुरे एक्टर हो, बहुत ही बुरा झूठ. यू आर नॉट दैट कन्विंसिंग एक्टर दैट यू विल कन्विंस हिम दैट यू आर हैविंग द नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन इवन इफ यू विल डू एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्टिंग. So please do not do that. Make the things very candid, very simple. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor when पूरा दिन वो परेशान रहा because he had to meet the doctor and he was just presuming कि okay what will happen, what questions he will ask, what answers I'll give, and he was totally confused. When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. And it happens when you have to manipulate the things, when you have to figure out the things. Okay, मैं ये कहूँगा, मैं वो कहूँगा, ऐसे हो जाएगा, वैसे हो जाएगा, and when the real time comes, the things they get messed up. And same happened with Einstein also. He was literally very nervous to meet the doctor. Earlier he was planning that I'll do the acting. Now acting was not required. Literally he was very nervous. I don't really know how to describe my trouble, Dr. Whale. He began. उसने बताना शुरू किया. Don't try, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Yuri has already given me a history of the case. Now he was a very good friend, Dr. Whale. He was a good friend of Yuri. तो Yuri ने उसको थोड़ा सा brief कर दिया था about the situation of Einstein. Oh, what did he say? और उसने क्या कहा? Only that you want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown and say that you must not go back to that school. सिर्फ इतना ही कहा कि तुम चाहते हो कि मैं ये सोचूं कि तुम्हें नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन है और तुम उस स्कूल में दोबारा नहीं जाना चाहते. So frankly, Yuri had told him the real situation of Albert Einstein. Oh dear, Albert's face fell. He shouldn't have told you that. He didn't like that. He said कि उसे नहीं बताना चाहिए था. Why not? Isn't it true then? क्यों नहीं बताना चाहिए था? क्या ये सच नहीं है? But it was true. Yes, that's the trouble. Now you will say there is nothing wrong with me and you will tell me to go back to school. क्योंकि अब तुम्हें पता लग गया है कि मैं ऐसा करना चाह रहा हूँ, तो तुम कहोगे मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ और मुझे दोबारा स्कूल जाना चाहिए. That was the reason he said that Yuri should not have told you about that. Don't be too sure of that, said the doctor. As a matter of fact, I am pretty sure you are in a nervous state about that school. He said कि no, I can judge because अगर तुम्हें उस स्कूल से प्रॉब्लम ना होता, if you would have not been in that much trouble, आप यूरी को बोलते ही नहीं. This thought would have not come to your mind. This means that there must have been some foundation of that problem. That was he is trying to convince him. But I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert wide-eyed. How can you know that? आपको कैसे पता? मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं बताया. Because you wouldn't have come to see me about this if you hadn't been pretty close to a nervous breakdown. That's why now, said the doctor briskly, if I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and must stay away from the school for a while, what will you do? कि तुम करोगे क्या अगर मैं तुम्हें ऐसा सर्टिफिकेट दे देता हूँ? I'll go to Italy, said Albert, to Milan where my parents are. मैं इटली वापस चला जाऊँगा अपने पेरेंट्स के पास, वो मिलान में रहते हैं. And what will you do there? वहाँ तुम क्या करोगे? I'll try to get into an Italian college or institute. How can you without a diploma? तुम्हारा जब तक स्कूल तुम्हारा डिप्लोमा कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ तुम्हें कैसे एडमिशन मिल जाएगा हायर इंस्टीट्यूट में. I'll ask my mathematics teacher to give me something about my work and perhaps that will be enough. It's a kind of a reference, you can say, recommendation. They recommend you, they give a reference that this is student in a particular subject. Those reference letters, they work to introduce you at some higher position, at some higher level. So people, they recommend, okay, the teachers, okay, I have taught him for so many years, he's a very brilliant student in this particular subject because he was very good in mathematics. He had a very healthy bonding with the mathematics teacher because he was fond of that. So he was expecting that I will get a referral letter from my mathematics teacher and that will help me get admission to some higher institute. I have learned all the maths they teach at school and a bit more, he added when Dr. Vail looked doubtful. Well, it is up to you, he said. I doubt if it will come off, but I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. और मुझे नहीं लगता कि तुम यहाँ रहकर किसी का भी भला कर रहे हो, ना तो अपना ना किसी और का, तो better you should leave. How long would you like me to say you should stay away from school? Would 6 months be all right? क्या 6 महीने ठीक रहेंगे? This is very kind of you. He was so thankful to Dr. Vail. It's nothing. I have only just stopped being a student myself, so I know how you feel. Here you are. And he just handed over him the certificate that he is having the nervous breakdown and he is not in a condition to just continue with his studies, and he should be given a leave of 6 months long. And how much? Nothing. If you have anything to spare, invite Yuri to a meal. He is a good friend of mine and yours too, I think. Now he asked for the fees of the doctor. He said कि nothing, कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Yuri मेरा बहुत अच्छा friend है. If you want to pay something, if you just want to pay back me in any kind of thing, so please invite Yuri for a dinner. उसको तुम मेरी तरफ से उसी पैसों से dinner करवा देना, so that will be sufficient for me. He said Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended he had and took Yuri out to supper. अब क्योंकि उसके पास ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं था, but still he pretended कि ओके, और वो यूरी को ले गया डिनर के लिए. Fine, clear up to this point? Now isn't it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. उसने यूरी को वो certificate दिखाया. He was quite happy. Yes, it's fine. Yuri agreed. 6 months is a good period. This way you won't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. He said Yuri was quite suspicious, also apprehensive he was becoming. He said कि okay, it's okay. 6 महीने बहुत हैं. Just figure out the things for you. अगर तुम्हें कहीं एडमिशन नहीं मिला, suppose in higher institute, so ये हो सकता है कि at least after 6 months you can come back and just complete your diploma. I will never go back to that place, Albert assured him. He said कि no, I'm not going to go back there. मैं अब दोबारा वहाँ वापस नहीं जाऊँगा. I'm going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. और कल ही ये certificate मैं principal के पास लेकर जा रहा हूँ, and I'm not going to finish this. Fine. So Yuri reminds him that don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics teacher first. कि पहले अपने mathematics teacher से reference letter ले लेना, उसके बाद you should go to the principal. He said okay. Mr. Koch willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. Mr. Koch was the name of the mathematics teacher. He happily, because he was a very brilliant student of maths, तो उन्होंने बहुत खुशी से उसको वो referral letter दिया. He said, if I say I can't teach you anymore and probably you will soon be able to teach me, will that be all right? He asked. और थोड़ा वो फ्रैंकली उसको कहते हैं कि अगर मैं ये लिखूं कि मैं अब तुम्हें और ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ा सकता, रादर कुछ दिनों में तुम ही मुझे पढ़ाने लग जाओगे, बिकॉज ही वॉज सो मच ब्रिलियंट इन मैथ्स. सो ही सेड विल दैट बी ओके? तो ही वॉज क्वाइट एम्बैरेस्ड. ही सेड नो सर, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. That saying too much, sir, said Albert. It's only the truth, but all right, I'll put it more seriously. कहता है कि ठीक है, उसको एक अच्छा सा रेफरेंस लेटर बना कर देता है मिस्टर कोच, एंड ही जस्ट विशेस हिम गुड लक. ही सेड कि आई नो यू विल डू वेरी ब्रिलियंटली इन योर लाइफ. It was still a glowing reference, and Mr. Koch made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. I'm sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class, he said. मिस्टर कोच उसको कहते हैं कि मैं दुखी हूँ कि तुम हमें छोड़कर जा रहे हो, बट आई नो देयर इज़ नो फन. It was of not of any benefit that you were sitting in my class, because already you have done everything that I was about to teach during this year. It is almost the only class where I am not wasting my time, said Albert. But how did you know I am leaving, sir? He said कि सर सिर्फ आपकी क्लास में मुझे लगता था that I am not wasting my time, but I haven't told you anything. आपको क्या पता कि मैं स्कूल छोड़कर जा रहा हूँ? He said you wouldn't have asked me for this reference. मैं कहता कि नहीं तो तुम ये reference मुझसे मांगते ही नहीं, and that was quite true. I thought you would wonder. There is nothing to wonder about Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself, because he knew about his potential. Mr. Koch को लगता था कि that Einstein, he was wasting his energy, his time, his money, everything sitting over there. He deserved much better place than that school. There is sorry. Albert was puzzled. What did the teacher mean? Now he soon found out. Before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher, he was summoned to the head's room. Now before he could go to the head teacher to ask for to show that certificate and get his school living certificate, he was summoned up by the principal himself. जो head teacher था उन्होंने खुद ही उसको बुला लिया था. Well, it saves me the trouble of having to wait an hour or two outside, he thought, and he took it very positively. He said, अच्छा वो मुझे खुद ही बुला लिया. I won't be मुझे wait नहीं बाहर जो है wait करना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, I will have to wait outside the office. So now he has called me himself, so it will be easier for both of us. He hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for. उसने सोचा भी नहीं कि उसको बुलाया क्यों गया है. But vaguely supposed he was to be punished again for some bad work, or as usual उसे लगता था कि कोई punishment ही मिलना होगा. That's why they have called me. Well, he had finished with punishments. I'm not going to punish you, the head teacher said. जब वो अंदर गया उसको बोला गया कि मैंने तुम्हें यहाँ punish करने के लिए नहीं बुलाया है. To Albert's surprise, your work is terrible, and I'm not prepared to have you here any longer, Einstein. I want you to leave the school now. He said कि तुम बहुत ही बुरा काम कर रहे हो. All the teachers, they are complaining that you are disturbing them in the class, you are not making them teach in the class, and I cannot go on with this anymore. I am just done with all the punishment giving, and please leave the school now. Only he was expelled from the school. Leave school now, repeated Albert Days, and he was quite shocked. He had made so much efforts to get that certificate, to leave that school, and now automatically from the headmaster's side it was just offered that you have to leave, you are being expelled from the school, and he was quite shocked. That is what I said. कहता हाँ मैंने भी यही कहा. You mean, said Albert, that I am to be expelled? कि आप मुझे expel कर रहे हैं? You can take it that way if you wish, Einstein. कहते तुम अगर ऐसा सोचते तो ऐसा आप तुम सोच लो. The head teacher was not mincing words. He was not mixing up the words. He was just straightforward. He was telling, the simplest thing will be for you to go of your own accord, and then the question won't arise. कि तुम अपनी मर्जी से ही यहाँ छोड़कर चले जाओ तो ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो नहीं उठेगा. But said Albert, what crime have I committed? लेकिन मैंने किया ही क्या है that you are expelling me? Though he wanted to leave the school, but now he was totally shocked. अगर मैं छोड़ूंगा ये स्कूल, then it is okay. They cannot expel me. How can they expel me? He asked me what crime I have committed that you are expelling me from the school. Your presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach and the other pupils to learn. You refuse to learn, you are in constant rebellion, and no serious work can be done while you are there. Now this is the important question that they ask you. Why he was expelled from the school? Please do prepare it carefully. So again I had told, as I explained earlier, that he was a big nuisance for all the teachers in the school. Albert felt the medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket. Burning a hole. Why? It is also again an important question, class 11. Because he had spent lot of effort, lot of money, because he had to take Yuri to supper for dinner. And he didn't have spare money, still he had to spend money. He said कि अब मुझे तो वो सर्टिफिकेट बनाने की तब ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी. If the headmaster, he had to expel me like this, then why did I go for that certificate? So he was feeling कि oh, I just simply wasted my money and all the effort and all the favor that I asked from Yuri. He had already expelled me from the school. I was going to leave anyway, he said, and वो अपना कहते हैं कि अपनी बात मनवाने के तक नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, इफ यू आर एक्सपेलिंग इट डजंट मैटर, मैं तो वैसे ही स्कूल छोड़कर जाने वाला था। देन वी आर इन अग्रीमेंट एटलीस्ट आइंस्टाइन ही सेड कि चलो फिर तो हम दोनों के विचार मिलते हैं। For a moment Albert was tempted to tell the man what he thought of him and of his school. Then he stopped himself without another word, holding his head high, he stopped up. वो बताना चाहता था प्रिंसिपल को, हेडमास्टर को, कि जो स्कूल है उसका सिचुएशन कैसा है, हाउ द टीचर्स दे ट्रीट द स्टूडेंट्स, बट ही डिडंट से एनीथिंग एंड ही जस्ट वॉक अवे। Shut the door after you, shouted the head, but he didn't listen, he didn't shut the door, he ignored him. He walked straight on out of the school where he had spent 5 miserable years without turning his head to give it a last look. और जिस जगह पर उसने अपनी लाइफ के 5 मिजरेबल साल जो है वो बिताए थे, उसने वो मुड़कर उस स्कूल की तरफ देखा भी नहीं। He could not think of anyone he wanted to say goodbye to, and he didn't have any friend. Yuri was the only friend for him. Indeed, Yuri was almost the only person in Munich he felt like seeing before he left the town he had come to hate almost as much as the school. और स्कूल के साथ साथ उस जगह, उस म्यूनिक शहर से जिसको इतनी नफरत हो गई थी that he didn't want to come back to that place. Elsa was back in Berlin and he had no other real friends. Goodbye and good luck, said Yuri when he left. You are going to a wonderful country, I think. I hope you will be happier there. और लास्ट में जो लास्ट गुड बाय था दैट वाज फ्रॉम यूरी। ही सेड कि ही विश्ड हिम गुड लक, कि तुम एक बहुत ही अच्छी जगह जा रहे हो, वाज गोइंग बैक टू हिज पेरेंट्स, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि तुम वहाँ पर यहाँ से ज़्यादा खुश रहोगे। एंड आफ्टर दैट रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री, हाउ आइंस्टाइन ही एक्सपेल्ड इन ईच एंड एवरी फील्ड wherever he was such a renowned scientist. So for every time I say it is not any kind of inspiration that you get from the Einstein, okay, Einstein used to do this, we will also do. Plus first be sure that you are Einstein too, so that is on a very fun note. So please go through the chapter class 11. We are completing this chapter now. Question answers we will be discussing through assignments and in interactive sessions also that we will have in our meetings. If you have any query, any question, you are most welcome to give your feedback or your queries in your WhatsApp groups. You can ask the questions. The assignments we will discuss in the next lecture. So till then, take care of yourselves. Do read the text, read the whole chapter. If you have any problem of any word, any phrase, any sentence, please clear the doubt, ask me the question and we will discuss it again. So take care of yourselves. God bless you all.